Hello everyone, welcome back. Again we have come to AMT mobile shop in Defense Road to check the price of Vivo X50 5G. So let's check out how is the mobile and what best price we get. So guys, this is the phone. Very smooth, very fast, 90Hz display, Super AMOLED. Good color, good body. Camera is also very good. Nice zoom. Nice bokeh mode. This phone runs on Android 10, comes with 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Very fast, very smooth, as you can see.
This is our new X50 from Vivo, and the display comes with AMOLED, Super AMOLED display, and it has a 90 GHz refresh rate and 6.56 the screen size of the display, and the camera, it's 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, and the camera on the front, it's 32 megapixel. The processor comes with a Snapdragon 765G and 7nm nanometer chipset. Also, and the battery is 4233 watts fast charging. And price of this mobile we are selling at 2150 in AMD mobile shop.
So guys, this is the shop where you can get this phone for best price. Link in description. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.